What's up mga kasaramba? Welcome sa car review natin. Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Mabolo, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Golda Marie Agas on her mobile phone. This is the 2025 Toyota Race 1.2e CVT. 841K to, Cebu City price ha. December promo is 49,000 based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 22,980.84 and 60 months is 19,414.67. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brakes is anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features immobilizer, speed sensing door locks, vehicle stability control, ISOFIX, and hill start assist. Dito sa harap, hexagonal type grille, gloss black dito na grille, walang butas, chrome Toyota logo, hexagon sa baba, diamond, matte, makapal, window type sa baba, then protector dito. Headlights is multi-reflector halogen. Sa baba, DRLs LED and fog lamps halogen. Dito sa gilid, wheels is silver, tires is 205/65R16 Bridgestone. Ang matte dito sa baba, dugtong sa side fender, chrome VVTi emblem sa sides, sa baba, matte, sa fender, hanggang likod. Side mirrors with repeaters auto-adjust but walang auto-fold. Keyless entry. Body color doorknob. Matte door trim. Then shark fin antenna sa taas. Drivetrain is front-wheel drive. Front suspension is MacPherson strut. Rear is torsion beam. Front brake is ventilated disc. And rear is leading and trailing drum. Door panels is gray with silver accents at door handle. Plastic. Tweeter speaker, design lang. Matte doorknob. Silver sa door handle with red accent. Power window button. Matte. Plastic. Malagyan. 2 bottle holders. Speaker. Retractable hand grip. Dito sa likod ng door panels is gray, wala nang silver accent. Plastic at doorknob, wala nang silver accent. Power window button, matte, plastic, wala nang malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, retractable hand grip. Pag fold, pull mo dito, din doon sa kabila, 60/40 ang hatian. May pockets dito. Dito wala. Dito din wala. Sa driver side ng door panels is gray with silver accents sa door handle. Plastic, tweeter speaker, wala yan. Silver door handle, red accent, power side mirror adjust, walang auto fold, power window buttons, plastic, malagyan, 2 bottle holders, speaker, walang hand grip, Steering wheel is tilt only. Plastic. Visor design sa dash. Groove design dito. Silver accent. May red din. Retractable cup holder. Dito walang gamit pero maganda. Traction off. Hood lever. Gas tank lever. May malagyan dito, red accent. Sa kabila, ganito rin. Upuan is fabric, black. May design sa gitna. Red line accent. 4-way manual adjust. View sa likod. 3-spoke steering wheel urethane with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is power sa infotainment. Dito naman is infotainment and cell phone button. Dash is Optitron, display sa gitna, segment type. Infotainment is 8-inch display audio via 4 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, and voice command. Digital with manual control aircon. Belt reminders. Dome lights papindot-pindot. Sun visor with vanity mirror sa driver side. Sun visor with vanity mirror sa passenger side. Rotary type ignition switch. Malagyan. USB port. 12-volt socket. Auto tranny. Diamond groove design. Straight auto. May plus and minus na drive. Manual handbrake. Armrest plastic. May spring. Sa passenger na upuan is same fabric. 4-way manual adjust. Plastic. SRS airbag. Silver accent. May red din. Retractable cup holder. Glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.2 3-cylinder inline 12-valve dual overhead cam with dual VVTi gasoline engine. Max output is 88 PS. Max torque is 113 Nm of torque. Transmission is CVT. Fuel tank capacity is 36 liters. So that's it mga kasurumbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Design Vlogger. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you.